Hello everyone, now let us discuss about the Schedules of Drugs and Cosmetic Act. Coming to Schedule A, it deals with different forms for application to procure the license, renewal of the license and for other activities. So Schedule A is a list of all different types of forms. Coming to Schedule B, it deals with the rates of fee charged for analysis by Central Drug Laboratory or State Drug Labs. Coming to Schedule C, it is a list of biological and other special products governed by special provisions. Coming to Schedule C1, it is a list of other products governed by special provisions. C deals with biologicals and other special products. Other than biologicals, the list of other special products governed by special provisions, it comes under Schedule C1. Coming to Schedule D, it is a list of class of drugs, extent and conditions of exemptions. Coming to Schedule D1, it deals with undertaking of the manufacturer or his authorized agent required to be submitted along with application forms for obtaining a registration certificate. Coming to Schedule D2, it deals with undertaking of the manufacturer of his or his authorized agent required to be submitted along with application form for the registration of bulk drug and for its formulation or import into India. So D2 it deals with bulk drug or its formulation or its import into India. Coming to Schedule E1, it is a list of poisonous substances under the Ayurveda, Siddha and Unani medicines. Coming to Schedule F, it deals with requirement for operation of blood bank or for the preparation of blood components. So Schedule F deals with blood bank and the preparation of blood components. Schedule F1 deals with provisions for bacterial vaccines, viral vaccines, anti-sera, diagnostic antigens, etc. Schedule F2 it deals with standards for surgical dressings. Whereas Schedule F3 it deals with standards for umbilical tapes. Coming to Schedule FF, it deals with the standards for ophthalmic preparations. Coming to Schedule E, it deals with list of drugs required to be taken under medical supervision. So Schedule D is nothing but a list of drugs that are required to be taken under medical supervision. Schedule H is a list of prescription drugs. Schedule J, it is a list of diseases or ailments which a drug may not purport to prevent or cure. Coming to Schedule K, it is a list of drugs that are exempted from certain provisions related to manufacture. Drugs that are exempted from certain provisions that are related to manufacture. Coming to Schedule M, this is important, good manufacturing practices. Please remember M for manufacturing. So Schedule M deals with good manufacturing practices, GMP, comprising the requirements of factory premises, plant and equipment. Schedule M1 deals with homeopathic preparation requirements of factory premises, plants and equipments. Schedule M2 deals with cosmetics, requirements of factory premises for the manufacturer. M deals with good manufacturing practices, M1 deals with homeopathic preparations and M2 deals with cosmetic preparations. M3 deals with the requirement of factory premises for the manufacture of medical devices. Coming to Schedule N, it is a list of minimum equipment for running a pharmacy. Schedule N is a list of minimum requirements for running a pharmacy. Whereas Schedule O, it deals with the standards for disinfectant fluids. Schedule P, it deals with the life period of drugs. So P for period. Schedule P deals with the life period of drugs. Schedule P1, it deals with the pack size of the drugs. Coming to Schedule Q, it deals with the list of colors, dyes or pigments permitted in cosmetics and soaps and list of colors that are permitted in soaps. Schedule Q is a list of colors, dyes and pigments that are permitted in cosmetics and soaps and the list of colors that are permitted in soaps. Schedule R, it deals with the standards for condom of rubber latex and other mechanical contraceptives. Schedule R1, it deals with the standards for medical devices. Coming to Schedule S, it deals with the standards for cosmetics. Coming to Schedule T, it deals with good manufacturing practices for manufacture of Ayurveda, Siddha and Unani medicines, GMP, machinery, equipment, minimum manufacturing premises, etc. So Schedule M deals with good manufacturing practices. Schedule T deals with good manufacturing practices of manufacture of Ayurvedic, Siddha and Unani medicines. Schedule U, it deals with particulars required to be shown in manufacturing records, raw material and analytical records. Schedule U1, it deals with the particulars required to be shown in manufacturing records. Coming to Schedule V, it deals with standard for patent or proprietary medicine. Schedule V deals with the standard for patent or proprietary medicine. Schedule X are psychotropic substances, list of psychotropic substances. And Schedule Y deals with the requirements and guidelines on the clinical trials for import and manufacture of new drug. So clinical trials come under Schedule Y. By this, we complete the various schedules that come under Drugs and Cosmetics Act.